So over here you can see that I have a Google Jamboard document and I have different sort of information right here. I got different sort of objects. If you want to select and move those objects in different ways, you can go onto the select tool right here, which allows you to select out objects like sticky note, like text, like it says sticky note right here, like shapes, as you can see. If I were to go around over here onto the thing that I drawn with pen tool, it cannot actually select that out. It can only select out objects such as these. And once you select out the object, of course, you can resize them. You can go on to more properties, and then you can see that you have different option over here. Like you can duplicate this, you can go around, right click and delete this, and so forth. So for the shapes as well, you got the duplication option right here. You got the delete option that you can work around with the selection tool quite easily. So you want to rearrange out certain objects in your Google Jamboard document, then this is what you can do. So that is how you can use the selection tool inside of Google Jamboard. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.